क्रिम्सन इन सेक्टर 70 SPR गुड़गांव। सेक्टर 70 की ये बहुत ही प्रीमियम लोकेशन है जहाँ पर ट्यूलिप का क्रिम्सन प्रोजेक्ट ऑलरेडी रेरा अप्रूव्ड हो चुका है। ये प्रोजेक्ट ऑलरेडी लॉन्च हो चुका है और ट्यूलिप क्रिम्सन की जो लोकेशन है ये 60 मीटर वाइड रोड को फेसिंग लोकेशन है। बिल्कुल मेन कमर्शियल SPR रोड से अप्रॉक्स 30 सेकेंड की ड्राइविंग डिस्टेंस पर है। तो एक ब्यूटीफुल लैंड पैच आ जाता है विच इज़ अनबीटेबल बिकॉज ऑफ प्रॉक्सिमिटी विद SPR, वाटिका चौक ऑन द राइट साइड of Tulip Crimson, left side Dwarka Expressway, CPR and New Gurgaon patch, before that NH8। तो अप्रॉक्स 5 से 10 मिनट की ड्राइव टाइम में आप पहुंच जाएंगे गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड, NH8, CPR, द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे। सो ये है प्रॉक्सिमिटी एंड अपकमिंग ग्लोबल सिटी विल बी अप्रॉक्स 10 मिनट्स अवे फ्रॉम ट्यूलिप क्रिम्सन। सेक्टर 70 इज़ पार्ट ऑफ SPR। SPR इज़ द एरिया जहाँ पर न्यू साइबर सिटी डेवलप हो रही है। देयर आर मेनी कॉर्पोरेट्स जो कि ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर एग्जिस्ट करते हैं। सम कॉर्पोरेट्स विच आर लाइंड अप इन कमिंग months. So this SPR road is full of all corporates. Now let's talk about the Tulip Crimson. You have already seen the location at the start of the video. Now we are inside the sales gallery and I am going to share each and every detail about this project along with their model and beautiful simple apartment which is full of luxurious corners. So from here let's talk about the land patch. Here Tulip Crimson's land patch is approx 9.17 acre. ट्यूलिप क्रिम्सन के बारे में ऑलरेडी मैं 2 वीडियोस बना चुकी हूँ। फर्स्ट वीडियो वॉज बिफोर द लॉन्च। देयर आई एक्सप्लेन्ड इट्स लोकेशन in detail. So how does it start from the CPR Dwarka Expressway and how do you reach to Tulip Crimson location? So that is explained in first video. In second video I have given a view of their complete project including their luxurious clubhouse of approx 60 to 70,000 square feet. So if you want to look at the entire project you must refer this video and after that you can certainly watch this video for their model complete presentation and a beautiful sample apartment. So after looking at both these videos I know that you will be through with this beautiful Tulip Crimson residential luxury in sector 70. Vandana Saros this side from RERA approved China partner firm Premium Gurugram covering the luxurious real estate market of your Gurgaon. Now it's time to understand the model जिसकी साथ आप पूरे प्रोजेक्ट को डीपली समझ जाएंगे. सो दिस इज़ द मेन रोड जो आप ने देखा एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो. दिस इज़ द 60 मीटर वाइड रोड और इसको फेसिंग ये लैंड पैच आ जाता है. सो दिस इज़ द मेन एंट्रेंस. यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है एंड द मोमेंट यू एंटर हियर ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड यू कैन सी 2 लेवल ऑफ बेसमेंट. सो आपकी जो गाड़ी है व्हीकल है इट गोज इन द बेसमेंट. 2 लेवल बेसमेंट कार पार्किंग है. सफिशिएंट कार पार्किंग फॉर यू एंड फॉर योर गेस्ट एज वेल. सो वंस योर कार इज गोइंग इन द बेसमेंट एरिया you are going to realize the whole land patch is completely vehicle free area, a green land patch because beautiful landscaping has been done on the entire land patch and your kids, all elder people and even you, everybody is safe here because they are only golf cars, no car, no vehicle. Look at this beautiful project. Now this road facing main entrance सामने आ जाता है on the right side इनका luxurious club house of approx 60 to 70,000 square feet and on the right side itself of this luxurious club house this is the pool area, outdoor pool area. There are 2 pool areas. One is outdoor one which you can see right here and another one is indoor temperature controlled pool so that you can enjoy your swimming across all weathers. And after this luxurious clubhouse on the left side I have already told you 2 level of basement car parking and this entire area is going to have complete land patch, beautiful landscaping and beautiful water bodies. So this is the first tower. Total यहाँ पर 5 towers आपको देखने को मिलेंगे and this beautiful heritage work with net look is extremely beautiful. You can look there also. This is the external facade with white color इवन जो इनके अपार्टमेंट्स हैं उनके अंदर भी आपको वाइट पेंट ही देखने को मिलेगा जब वो हैंड ओवर होंगे आपको। नाउ दिस इज़ दी again addition in terms of kids engagement and day-to-day life entertainment. So amphitheater, lush greenery, all trees and beautiful water bodies with double height entrance lobby area. This is the sitting corner, basically it's like sitting area and these are the elevated walkways जो कि connected है यहाँ से लेकर it goes till there and there is the amphitheater. Now all the towers are going to end here and here are the outdoor sports activities. A, B, C, D, E, these are the 5 towers here. Look at the beautiful landscaping and beautiful water bodies. The beautiful facade, green landscaping and beautiful water bodies. Those are the highlights of the project along with their ultimate luxury and vehicle free zone which is safe for everyone. Now this is the complete layout जिसको हमने अपनी वीडियो में भी दिखाया है, जिसके अंदर आप पूरी डिटेल देख सकते हो एंड आफ्टर लुकिंग एट द मॉडल ऑल्सो यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड कि टावर्स कहाँ पर आने वाले हैं एंड how is the project going to look like. One more thing which I missed apart from water bodies landscaping, this is the area which is the party lawn. अब ये जो 9.17 एकर्स का एरिया है इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, यहाँ पर काफ़ी सारी एमिनिटीज़ ऐड की गई हैं जो कि इसको एक लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट बनाता है SPR रोड पर और एक हाईलाइटेड प्रोजेक्ट बनाता है. सो लाइक फैमिली पेविलियन, किड्स क्रच, इंडोर पूल, आउटडोर पूल, ब्यूटीफुल लैंडस्केपिंग and elevated walkways, banquet hall, beautiful drop-off zone, luxurious clubhouse and so many things which are part of the project. So if you want to check all the amenities in detail, then again the video which has already explained their clubhouse and all the upcoming amenities of this project, then you must refer to ट्यूलिप क्रिम्सन वीडियो जहाँ पर मैं ट्यूलिप क्रिम्सन के लग्जूरियस क्लब हाउस को बहुत अच्छे से डिटेल में डिफाइन कर चुकी हूँ. इट्स टाइम टू लुक एट देयर ब्यूटीफुल सिंपल अपार्टमेंट. दिस इज़ द एंट्रेंस ऑफ देयर show apartment. Before that, let's talk about the size. The beauty of this project is the same gentry. So there is only one size, that is the standard size across all the 5 towers, and the size is approx 3090 square feet, and this is the 4 BHK luxurious apartment. So this is the main entrance. Look at the height of this door first, because height of any apartment or villa add extra luxury in that particular unit. Now we are going to look at this beautiful show apartment. So floor to ceiling height is here approx 12 feet, which is the added luxury in this apartment. Look at this beautiful Italian marble. This is going to be same in your actual apartment. This is the foyer area, and the beauty of any foyer area is that it protects your privacy. So from there, that is the main door. Now look at the length of this foyer area. The beauty of any foyer area is it protects your privacy. It gives you extra edge or extra space, so that if someone is going to come to your home or someone is knocking at your door or ringing your bell, then you should have this much area to protect the entire space of your house, like bedrooms and living area or the kitchen or dining area. So this is the foyer area, and even in Tulip Monsella also, which is the ultra luxury project of Tulip on Golf Course Road, I have covered that project also in detail. So if you want to look at Tulip Monsella, then you can look at this video. So they have provided the foyer area in Tulip Monsella as well. So yes, I must admire Tulip Infratech company, which started in 2005. They are taking care of each and everything, like adding the personal foyer area in your apartment before starting the main area. These are the walls which are with the nude color right now, but you are going to get white finished walls. So the height of 12 feet. Now this is the extra space on my right hand apart from this foyer area, which you can use for your console deco, for beautiful indoor plants and all decoratives, whatever you want to put on these walls. So from here this extra room or the helper room starts, and this is the complete area. So you can use this room as like extra room. It can be your guest room, one extra room for any other purpose, or as your helper room. This is the attached washroom, and this is the balcony area, which is your utility balcony, जो कि connected है आपके kitchen area से भी. The same flooring is going to be part of your apartment. Look at the whole area, the width of the area here, because the size of the apartment is really huge. Approx 3090 square feet का area आ जाता है 4 BHK के लिए. That's why you are going to get all spacious rooms and balconies. तो यहाँ से ये L shaped balcony है. On the left side if I go, then there is more space. Look at this. मैं थोड़ा सा और पीछे जा सकती हूँ. ये एरिया आपको मिल जाता है इस L shaped balcony में, जो कि कनेक्टेड है आपकी किचन के साथ और आपके फर्स्ट रूम या फिर आपके हेल्पर रूम के साथ. प्लीज़ कम. Now we are in the living area, and this is the entire space for your living area. Look at the width and the length also. This is the whole area, and on my left side this is the powder room. Look at this. Now this is the beautiful balcony जो आपके living room के साथ connected है. Please come. Now look at the size of this spacious balcony. तो ये width आ जाती है, and this is really lengthy. तो इतना बड़ा size आ जाता है, and this is the extra space जो आप use कर सकते हो for spending time with your loved one in open area. ये जो balcony है आपकी, this is connected with the first room जो अभी हम देखने वाले हैं. Then next room next to living area, second room. So after looking at this living area, इसी के साथ में आ जाता है first room after powder room. तो ये first room है. Look at the size of this room. The same flooring is going to be part of your bedroom, same wooden flooring. And from here you can access to same balcony which is part of your living area also. And this is the washroom which is fully loaded. So it is going to come with this shower glass and all bathroom fittings, whatever you are seeing right now. The same finish is going to come here. Now after looking at the living area on the left side, the spacious balcony, first room, powder room and the main foyer area apart from helper room, it's time to look at the dining room now. Look at the space over here. So from here it starts, and look at the width and the length of this area, dining area. Generally, why do we look at the showcase apartment or sample apartment? The reason behind it is to get an idea after placing all the furniture. तो अपने हाउस में जब आप अपना सारा फर्नीचर लगा देते हो, ऑल वार्डरोब्स आते हैं, जितने भी डेकोरेटिव आप रख सकते हो वो सब रख देते हो, उसके बाद आपको आइडिया मिलता है कि हमें कितना स्पेस मिलेगा, कितना स्पेसियस ये अपार्टमेंट है. और यही पर्पस होता है किसी भी शो अपार्टमेंट को देखने का. द ब्यूटीफुल फ्लोर टू सीलिंग हाइट एक आपको लग्जरी एडिशन देता है आपके अपार्टमेंट में. नाउ लाइक look at this. One more thing which is going to be part of this beautiful apartment, that is the home automation. So Tulip Monsela was also with home automation, and Tulip Crimson maybe they have included home automation. Like all the curtains are on home automation, lights are on home automation. This is the space for dining area. Now on my right side, this is the kitchen area. Look at this beautiful kitchen. This is a modular kitchen and it is going to come with all the storages, hob, chimney, all white goods like refrigerator, microwave, oven, washing machine is going to be part of your beautiful kitchen. And from here, the same balcony, which is also connected with your helper's room or the first room. So same L-shaped balcony. So after looking at this beautiful modular kitchen with all white goods for you, we are moving to the second bedroom. Please come. So from here, the second bedroom starts. Please come. This is the complete size. तो ये जो second bedroom है, even all the bedrooms, the complete apartment is going to come with VRV air conditioning and the same balcony जो कि आपकी living area और first bedroom के साथ connected है, is also connected with this bedroom. Again, one more beautiful attached washroom with the second bedroom. Now after second bedroom, here is the third bedroom and then fourth bedroom. तो टोटल अगर मैं लेआउट के बारे में बात करूँ तो फर्स्ट जैसे ही फोयर एरिया आता है उसके बाद फर्स्ट बेडरूम आ जाता है बैक साइड, देन सेकंड बेडरूम, थर्ड बेडरूम, देन फोर्थ बेडरूम एंड वन मोर एक्स्ट्रा रूम जो कि एज अ हेल्पर रूम और एक्स्ट्रा रूम है इन फ्रंट ऑफ द फोयर एरिया. और एक और एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस है जो अभी मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ. सो दिस इज़ रियली ह्यूज इन साइज, अप्रॉक्स 3090 square feet and with same gentry of all 4 BHK apartments. That is the added beauty of Tulip Crimson. Please come to the third bedroom now. This is the size of third bedroom and attached washroom. Again, one more spacious balcony is there. And this is the size of this beautiful balcony. Look at the width and the length. ये balcony आपके थर्ड बेडरूम के साथ और मास्टर बेडरूम के साथ कनेक्टेड है. प्लीज कम. एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लुक एट द एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस. सो इसी के ऑपोजिट में आ जाता है दिस एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस जो कि आप एज अ स्टडी रूम यूज़ कर सकते हो और इट कैन बी किड्स प्ले एरिया. This is the extra space which can be converted as like family lounge room, a small room like gaming room, so any purpose which you find meaningful. Look at this. And now if I go out, then from here the last room which is the master bedroom. This is the length of the master bedroom here and again beautiful floor to ceiling height and partial fall ceiling in the apartment. Look at the fall ceiling. Look at the width of this beautiful master bedroom, the length and the area which you are getting over here. This is part of interior designing. You are going to get the white walls. And this is the attached washroom with jacuzzi and fully loaded washroom. And this is the beautiful balcony which is connected to third bedroom and now to the master bedroom. Look at the size, width and the length of this beautiful balcony. So this was the beautiful showcase apartment of Tulip Crimson from a premium location connected with a complete Gurgaon. Now we have already looked at the beautiful sample apartment of Tulip Crimson. यहाँ पर जो प्राइस स्टार्ट होता है वो स्टार्ट होता है अप्रॉक्स 5 CR से and this beautiful 4 BHK with extra space and home automation, beautiful modular kitchen and spacious bedrooms with huge foyer area, VRV and VRV fall ceiling and many more things connected with this apartment. Here the price starts from approx 4.3 4.9 CR from approx 4.9 CR, and you can expect the possession of Tulip Crimson in 2029. So across all the 5 towers, there is one size which makes this project a beautiful choice, बिकॉज जो सेम लेवल जेंट्री है वो भी जनरली चॉइस होती है एक एंड यूज़र की। तो यहाँ जो टावर हाइट है वो है अप्रॉक्स G+36 विद डबल हाइट ब्यूटीफुल एंट्रेंस टावर लॉबीज। सो प्रोजेक्ट का मॉडल ऑलरेडी आपने देख लिया है। नाउ इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन ट्यूलिप क्रिम्सन और ट्यूलिप मॉन्सेला अल्ट्रा लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट एट गोल्फ कोर्स रोड, then you can connect with us. If I talk about the investment perspective, then again the location is really premium. The developing Cyber City 2 on main SPR road, surrounded with many corporates and luxurious projects from all brands on SPR. And in coming time, yes, I keep sharing my thoughts on coming developments of all the roads. So उसके लिए आप चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो and you can keep updating yourself with the expected developments across all the roads of our premium Gurugram. And if you are an NRI looking for one luxurious apartment for pure investment or end use, then you can connect with us and we will assist you as per your comfort on audio call or video call. Now this was all about the model and the showcase apartment of Tulip Crimson. And अगर आप इनके लग्जूरियस क्लब हाउस एंड प्रोजेक्ट की एमिनिटीज़ को समझना चाहते हैं तो ट्यूलिप क्रिम्सन की एक और वीडियो है, उसको जरूर देखें. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर द वीडियो एंड डू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. एंड इफ एनी ऑफ योर फ्रेंड इज लुकिंग फॉर एनी luxurious apartment in Gurugram, then you can definitely share the video. Meanwhile, if you have any suggestion or feedback, please feel free to share in the comment box. Let's meet in next video and say a lovely goodbye to this beautiful project Tulip Crimson. Bye bye.